Hello friends, let's talk about AI. But what is AI? When machines start mimicking human intelligence, that's when we say that AI has been achieved. But we hear so many terms like AI, ML, DL. What are all these and what is the role of data science? So AI is the overall concept and machine learning is the means to achieve AI. And deep learning is the advanced form of machine learning. And data science forms the backbone of AI, ML and DL. Now, what is the role of AI? How is it disrupting across the world, or if it is at all helping any of the industries? So, I would say ML, AI, and DL are a critical part of any organization now, and it is disrupting entire industries. Some of the high up corporate leaders say that it is here to stay for at least next 5 decades, and when we say that, we are seeing that it is being used across media, entertainment, healthcare, agriculture, you name it. So all verticals as well as horizontal domains like HR, marketing, finance, operations, all of them are getting disrupted by AI. And then, but still question arises, some people ask how AI and what AI is doing today that we should take care of it or we should adopt it. So then question comes, what all industries? So let's talk about agriculture first, staple food giver. So much of food is being produced across the world and in so large quantities that it is inhuman. In human capacity, it is not possible that it can be segregated or sorted and packaged. But now machines are there which are AI enabled and which are helping farm owners or orchard owners to actually segregate, pluck, classify apples and oranges, package them and give them the end product as a packaged box of fruits to be sold in the market. Even AI is going ahead and telling them which market at what price in what day will be giving them the best profitability. Coming to roads, the means that we use for taking that product to the market. Now, when we talk about roads, we talk about good roads or bad roads. So AI is predicting which road to be taken to the market will be giving us the best timing. Which road will be having the most potholes? Which pothole will be taking how much time and money and manpower to be able to rectify that? Then comes healthcare. Now, healthcare of disease or healthcare of humans, both are being disrupted by AI again, and so it is helping us create formulations for both humans and crops as to which formulation will work for which crop or human being, what kind of disease will be treated, what kind of vaccines can be created. All of that is helping. Recommendation engines in product industry, even when we are talking about agriculture there, which product should be pitched to which kind of customer, which will buy more, is being predicted by AI. Talking about security of crops. So security of crops can be taken care of in warehouses, in farmhouses, in farms and everywhere else by doing facial detection is the simplest possible example. Then what about interaction between the customer and the farm owner or the trader? It can be from various international farms as well as various international customers. So now AI is helping us in speech translation, speech recognition, speech creation, speech generation. So all that is possible. So that's a very good example of how agriculture, being one industry, can be using AI as a whole. Now, still people ask, or I would say, how can it help you as a customer or as a user of AI in your business? So you talk about marketing, HR, operations, finance, everything is getting disrupted by AI. Think about hiring a new person in your company and you don't need a HR department or a human resource manager to be taking the interview. It is the machine who takes the interview first on the video call without the candidate traveling to the office or your HR manager's time getting consumed there. So machine takes care of the sentiment analysis, eye movement, emotion recognition, everything is taken care of in the video interview, and human resource manager only comes into picture when that person is to discuss the salary front of it. So all these things are possible and in all possible departments. So AI and automation is already coming to almost 80 to 90% companies across the world, and these are large companies, but medium and small companies have started adopting the same as well. And how it is helping? It is helping in decreasing the cost, increasing the profitability, increasing the efficiency and operations of supply chain and retail environments and things like that, and many more examples like that. So in my book, Leveraging AI for Business Success, I have mentioned all the ways in which you can deploy AI in a fast, cost efficient and maximum efficiency manner. So go ahead and grab your copy from anywhere from Flipkart, Amazon, Motion Press, or even Kindle edition across the world, and you will be pleased and happy to have that book as well as be able to deploy AI at your